Dizal here with another video. Now today I'm here to review something rare. It's actually a laser projection keyboard. Yeah. I bought it from eBay. It cost me about $30, which is $30 US. Which that is not expensive, and also it is not cheap too. Okay, anyway, let's get into it. This is the laser projection keyboard itself, and which I bought it from eBay, and it's not that big as you see on the video. This must be the laser, and the sensors, okay, I don't know. This is where you plug your USB to charge this thing, and here's the power button, and as you can see there are two lights. Let me turn it on and show you. Okay, this is the laser and this is the sensor, and this is there are two light indicators. As you can see, this is the laser projection keyboard, which is good, which is good, and I don't know, man. And you can see this light is blinking and this one is not. And as you can see, when I type, and this is the indicator that indicates me that I'm typing something. As you can see, this is still blinking, and it says it indicates that I'm not connected to a device. So here I got my iPod, and I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna connect this thing. As you can see, I connected my projection keyboard to my iPod, and I'm gonna show you guys how this thing works. Okay, as you can see, I'm notepad. Okay, I'm gonna type something. I'm gonna type my name. Okay, yeah. My name is Dizal. As you can see here, my name is Dizal. Okay, let me type something else. Now I am reviewing my new laser projection keyboard. Okay, now sorry, there was a mistake over here. I'm gonna correct it. Sorry. Okay, now I am reviewing my new laser projection keyboard. Boom, that's it guys. What is so good about this laser projection keyboard is I can just convert this keyboard into a trackpad by clicking this cursor icon over here. As you can see now, the keyboard has converted into a trackpad. Okay, but there is a problem. This feature won't run with an iOS device. You have to use whether an Android device or a Windows running device. Okay, now as you can see guys, I have a device that runs Android, so I'm going to show this feature out. So let's go. As you can see guys, now I connected my laser projection keyboard to this Android device. So okay, now I'm gonna reduce some brightness to make the visibility good. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and click the cursor icon. Okay, sorry. Okay, now as you can see here, there is a cursor. So now I'm gonna now I'm gonna go to settings. So I see, I'm gonna tap. Yeah, that's how this thing works. This thing is pretty good, man. Now I'm going to where I should go. Okay, now I'm going to click this thing. Okay, as you can see, this thing is working properly. Think that you have a broken Android device, your touch screen is not working, so but you still want to use that Android device so badly, so think that you have some content in here. Okay, so you just can go ahead and use your laser projection keyboard, and you can do the work that you have to do with the device and with your broken Android device, and you can use it like a PC. You have a keyboard and a mouse. You don't have to touch this thing. You can use it. That's it, guys. If you want to check this thing out, I will drop a link down below to check this out. If you want to buy it, go ahead and buy it. It is very useful. Okay, that's it, guys. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, do the same. And if you want to watch videos like this, watch more videos like this, just go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. What the fuck? Subscribe button down below, okay? Peace out, man.